Hello good viewers, welcome back once again. Today we have this nice looking Olympiad Math problem. We're given the sum of x and y equals 2, their product equals 3, and here we're going to evaluate the sum of their fifth powers, right? Now let's get started. Now we need to take note that 2 plus 3 is actually equal to 5, right? Okay, now let's think about expanding x squared plus y squared multiplied by x cubed plus y cubed. Now, x squared times x cubed will give us x to the power of 5 plus x squared times y cubed will give us x squared y cubed. Then plus the second term here, y squared times x cubed will give us x cubed y squared plus then y squared times y cubed will give us y to the power of 5. Now from here, all we need to do is to rearrange the right hand side of this equation, right? We will need to take note that that is exactly the product of x squared plus y squared and the x cubed plus y cubed, which is equal to, now we have x to the power of 5 plus y to the power of 5, right? Then plus, actually we have a common factor of x squared times y squared. Then we factor it out and I think we're left with x plus y, right? That will be x plus y. Now remember we're solving for x to the power of 5 plus y to the power of 5, so we can make this from here the subject, right? So here we get x to the power of 5 plus y to the power of 5 equals the product of this x squared plus y squared multiplied by x cubed plus y cubed, then minus here x squared y squared is the same as x times y all squared, right? Then into bracket x plus y, right? I think we have derived a very nice identity that will really help us a lot in solving this problem, right? Now all we need to do now is to find the value of x squared plus y squared, x cubed plus y cubed, right? Okay, now we're going to find the value of x squared plus y squared. Remember from equation 1 we have x plus y, which is equal to, that is from equation 1, x plus y is equal to 2, right? So we have here 2. Now let's go ahead and square both sides. So when we square both sides from the left, we have x squared plus y squared plus 2 times x times y. This is equal to 2 squared, which is equal to 4. Now, remember again that the product of x and y, which is x times y, is equal to 3, right? Okay, so we're going to substitute that, right? So we have here x squared plus y squared plus, here will be 2 times 3, right? Then this is equal to 4. So from here we have x squared plus y squared, then plus 6, this is equal to 4. Now from here, if we subtract 6 from both sides, then this implies that x squared plus y squared is equal to 4 minus 6, that will give us negative 2. Okay, right. Now, what about x cubed plus y cubed? So how do we solve for x cubed plus y cubed? Okay, now let's see how we're going to do that. We can actually make use of a formula that a to the power of 3 plus b to the power of 3 is the same as a plus b cubed, then minus 3 times a times b, right? Okay, now into bracket a plus b, right? We can make use of this formula or algebraic identity, right? Then with the help of this, then we have x cubed plus y cubed equals x plus y cubed minus 3 times x times y into bracket x plus y. Okay, now from here we have x cubed plus y cubed equals x plus y from the original problem is equal to 2, right? So this will become 2 cubed minus 3 times x times y, which is equal to 3, right? Then multiply by x plus y, which is 2. From here, 2 cubed will give us 8 minus 3 times 3, 9 times 2, that is 18. From here, we get this equals negative 10, right? Now, let us recall again that the expression we're asked to evaluate x to the power of 5 plus y to the power of 5 is equal to x squared plus y squared multiplied by x cubed plus y cubed minus x times y squared into bracket x plus y. So from here, we're going to substitute the value of x squared plus y squared, x cubed plus y cubed, x times y, and x plus y. So from here, we get x raised to the power of 5 plus y raised to the power of 5. This is equal to the value of this is negative 2, multiplied by the value of this is negative 10, then minus x times y squared will be 3 squared, right, times x plus y, which is equal to 2. So from here, this is equal to, this it will give us positive 20, right? Then minus 3 squared is 9, then 9 times 2 is 18, and from here we get the right answer, which is equal to 2. Thank you for watching. Please kindly subscribe to my channel, also like, comment, and share. Bye bye.